I'm Maggie Charnosky. This is Trinity Free Clinic. We're located on the campus of Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church at 146th Street and Oak Ridge Road. Trinity Clinic started in 2000 as an outgrowth of a childhood immunization program that was a partnership between Our Lady of Mount Carmel and St. Vincent's. It was determined that a lot of the patients who were coming, both parents and kids, for immunizations also needed medical care. The people who provide the care here are all volunteers. They are volunteer doctors, dentists, nurses, nurse practitioners, pharmacists, clerks, interpreters.
Hi, my name is Jean Boucher, and I'm a volunteer here at the Trinity Free Clinic. I clerk. I've been doing clerking at the clinic for about 7 years. I probably come in once a month or so. It's a very rewarding thing to do. If you come into the clinic and volunteer even once, you can't remain oblivious to the need in the community, and I think you kind of get drawn in. There is like 5 different kinds of people volunteering every time that I come in, probably 25 to 30 volunteers every Saturday, which is our biggest day at the clinic. It's an amazing thing to see happen when all these volunteers come together and everything just works like a well-oiled machine. So it's a very rewarding experience.
Our busiest day is Saturday mornings, and we do acute medical and acute dental on Saturday mornings. We have other clinics throughout the month. Oftentimes the medical clinic will refer patients to these other clinics, and they include women's health, asthma, podiatry, and eye care. We do eye care twice a month, and it's by appointment only. The rest of the clinics are walk-in. In 2007, the Board of Directors of Trinity Free Clinic identified the need for additional space. The space really limited our capacity of number of patients we could serve. At the same time, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Church was beginning a campus plan to determine what in the future their space needs were going to be. And we share our current space with the parish's help committee, and they are food pantry as well as household goods and some furniture. It was determined by the parish that they would like to replace the building we are currently in, and in doing so make it larger to better accommodate both programs. October of 2010, ground was broken on the new building, and it will accommodate additional space for us to be able to see more patients and to be able to expand our services. If you're interested in coming to Trinity Free Clinic for care, our requirements are that you live in Hamilton County, that you be uninsured, and unable to afford either a private dentist or a private doctor. If you're interested in helping Trinity Free Clinic, there are many ways you can do that. One would be to become a donor. We can always use not only financial assistance, but supplies, say for instance office supplies, or if you work in a medical setting, there may be unopened medical supplies that you otherwise might have thrown away. We also have a number of fundraisers a year that you would be more than welcome to participate in. And of course, without our volunteers, we would not be here. So if you are interested in volunteering, we have many different jobs that require little to no medical background.
We have a fundraiser coming up on February 4th. It's our 5th annual fundraiser, and we now do an NFL kickoff to the Super Bowl weekend on the Friday night before the Super Bowl, and that will be, like I said, February 4th. We assign the people that want to come a table, or they get to choose a table of their liking to one of the NFL teams, and then it's very casual. People come dressed in their jerseys and whatever that they happen to have. They're allowed to decorate their tables. There's a competition for who can decorate their table the best and who comes dressed appropriately most for their favorite team. It's going to be a buffet, so you're not sitting at your table and just talking to your neighbor. People get up and walk around. There's a few games to play. This year we're actually going to have a disc jockey on Sunny Moon, and I think that'll add a nice dimension and party atmosphere to the event. So hopefully you can come out and join us. It's February 4th. We're charging $25 a person to cover the food, and then so if you want to make reservations, you can check out the reservation form on our website, and we'd love to see all of you there.